No.
No, it's also this on
Tie.
Henrikintie. Henriksvägen 5. Steg is D. We filmed the staircase C before, and I have filmed the staircase A here as well. But we can also try to get the staircases B and E as well.
Yeah.
There are 7 floors here. It was built in 1977 by Kone. The December is H4185. Modernized in 2000 by Otis 2000 fixtures. The December SB1 SY8775. The capacity is 4 persons or 325 cars. But I feel this was too early.
Yeah.
And also not in the right way. They could have also kept the interior here, but these folding doors with windows.
Yeah.
Instead. That would have been even more interesting, and preferably with the green digital indicator.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2024. The modernized 20 is old in 2020, and I can press the and this one is green.
Yeah.
That's a better idea.
Mm.
So we are here in Konala in Helsinki,
Pitäjänmäki.
Finland. Oh, so it's part of Pitäjänmäki. So
Of course, but not Kone, it's different.
Ah, okay. Because I was thinking, because it's close to Konala, but...
Yeah. Inspected by lift installed and maintained by Sponhissi.
Yeah. Unfortunately, all the ones on Sulkapolkko, they were badly modernized.
Yeah.
However, was it like something really bad?
One generic and 3 Anton ones from 2009.
Kone.
Probably. Maxi Space or something.
But we don't need it.
Yeah,
So that's it
that's
for watching.